Looking for a way to feed your children with veggies? Well, these broccoli and cheese patties are packed with nutrition. So let's see the recipe. For this recipe, I've taken around 250 grams of broccoli. I've cut them into big florets. You can even take a little bit of the stalk as well. And now you can use a handy chopper or a blender and grind it into small crumbles. So let's do that. You can see how finely I have chopped up this broccoli. Add in half a capsicum finely chopped. Dry roast all these ingredients without any oil for 2 to 3 minutes till all the moisture content is dried out. As you can see, the broccoli crumble has started to shrink and dry out. This is done. Let's remove it in a bowl. The broccoli has cooled down and now I'm going to add in all the remaining ingredients. Over here I have 1 potato that's boiled and grated. So let's add it in. Breadcrumbs. 2 tablespoons of roasted gram flour. Some coriander leaves. Half a teaspoon of cumin seed powder. Half a teaspoon of red chilli powder. 1 teaspoon ginger-chilli paste. Salt to taste. Mix all these ingredients together. Once you have a dough-like mixture, you can start shaping the patties. Take a portion or a 2-inch ball of this mixture. Flatten it out. I have some cheese here that I've finely chopped. You can use any cheese of your choice. Seal the ball. And flatten it out. Roll it on a plate to smoothen the edges. In this way, shape up all the patties. These patties are shaped and ready. Heat a little bit of oil in a pan. And now, place these patties . Let's flip them over. These are done. Let's get them out. These broccoli cheese patties are ready. You can enjoy them between burger buns or just with a cup of coffee, tea or hot chocolate for kids. Do try this recipe at home, comment below and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.